Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can edit and delete custom field of the document on TranZact. For that, let's go to the settings module. Click on documents. Now scroll down and click on document fields. Under document fields, select the type documents. Now here, you need to select the document on which you have to edit the custom field. I'm selecting order confirmation here. Here, a custom field has been added, salesperson. Here, a custom field has been added, name salesperson. Now I have to add more salesperson names in this list. Now here, the field name is, the custom field name is salesperson and the data type is select. That means you have to choose from a list. Now I have to add a few more names to the list of salespersons. For that, I'll scroll it right. I'll hover my cursor on the three dots and I'll click on edit. Here you can edit the name of the field. As I said, I want to add a few more names. I'm adding the names. One thing you cannot edit here is the data type. It is once selected, it cannot be changed. Now click on save. Your custom field has been edited. To view the effect, let's go to the transactions module. I'll open the transactions module in the other tab. Click on create document. Click on order confirmation. Select the buyer. Now here, as you can see, the custom field is there, salesperson. You will also find the new names which we have just added. Now let us learn how you can delete the custom field. For that, let's go back to the settings module. Under document fields, you need to select the document. For example, I have to delete the field salesperson from order confirmation. I'll scroll left right and I'll hover my cursor on the three dots and click on delete. The custom field has been removed from the list. Now to view the effect, let's go back to the same order confirmation. Here it is showing the list of salesperson. I'll just refresh the page. As you can see, the salesperson field has been removed from this document. Similarly, you can edit or delete custom field from other documents. For that, go to the settings module and under document field, select your desired document. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.